Here is our list of the top 5 best hiking shoes you can get right now. The Merrell Moab 3 is a top-rated hiking shoe known for its durability, comfort, and traction. It features a Vibram TC5 Plus outsole for superior grip, a cushioned midsole with super rebound compound for shock absorption, and a pigskin leather and mesh upper for breathability and protection. The shoe includes a reinforced rubber toe cap, Merrell's Kinetic Fit advanced insole for arch support, and waterproof options like Gore-Tex and M-Select Dry. Sustainability is emphasized, with 100% recycled laces and mesh lining. Ideal for hikers seeking a reliable, eco-friendly, and comfortable option for varied terrains. The Salomon X Ultra 4 GTX is a lightweight yet stable hiking shoe designed for technical trails. It features a Gore-Tex membrane for waterproofing and breathability, keeping feet dry in wet conditions. The Contigrip MA outsole with deep lugs ensures reliable traction on varied terrain, while the advanced chassis enhances ankle stability without limiting movement. Energy Cell EVA foam in the midsole provides cushioning, and the quick lace system allows easy adjustments. A protective toe cap adds durability. With a trail running inspired design, the shoe balances agility, comfort, and protection, making it ideal for hikers seeking versatile performance on rugged trails. The HOKA Speedgoat 6 is a high-performance trail running shoe, known for its durability, traction, and comfort on technical terrain. It features a lightweight woven mesh upper for breathability, a Vibram Megagrip outsole with traction lugs for superior grip, and an internal support chassis for stability. A dual-sided gusseted tongue enhances comfort, while a dynamic vamp allows more forefoot space. With Hoka's signature cushioning, the Speedgoat 6 provides a responsive ride for long-distance runners. Updates include a refined heel tab and a lighter design. It remains a top choice for ultra-marathoners and trail runners seeking protection and performance. The Sportiva Spire GTX is a lightweight waterproof hiking shoe designed for hikers seeking breathability, durability, and traction. It features Gore-Tex surround technology for 360-degree waterproofing and breathability, a Vibram XS Trek outsole with the impact brake system for superior grip, and an EVA midsole with TPU inserts for shock absorption and stability. The NanoCell 2 mesh upper enhances airflow, while PU Tech Lite reinforcements provide added durability. Ideal for varied terrain, the Spire GTX balances the agility of trail runners with the protection of hiking boots, making it a versatile choice for long-distance trekking and speed hiking. The Oboz Katabatic Low Dry is a lightweight waterproof hiking shoe designed for speed hikers and trail enthusiasts who need agility, comfort, and durability. Featuring Oboz Speed Dry waterproof membrane, it offers breathability and weather resistance. The abrasion-resistant mesh upper with TPU overlays enhances durability, while the O-Fit insole and ACT midsole provide cushioning and arch support. A Vibram Megagrip outsole ensures excellent traction on mixed terrain, and an ESS plate adds underfoot protection. Ideal for fast-paced hikes, it balances lightweight performance with the necessary support and protection for rugged trails and changing conditions.